guys. Can you see me?
Nini,
Where's that camera?
where is it?
I think I was outside. It smells rude.
It smells rude because
Like poo-poo.
because the garbage truck's just there. Oh,
Maybe because he has Louis poop in it. Yeah, you're right, Auntie. He has Louis poop in it. Mama, watch out. Where's the fish man?
come on, it's the postman. Mr. Postman. Okay, we'll cross the road. Hold, Mama. Hold. You have anything? No. Come on. Yeah, it smells rude.
It smells like food. It smells like food. It smells the food. Oh, it's the bin. That's the worst smell I've ever. It's the bin.
Ambot.
Well, one bin. Well, I found one.
Good morning, guys. It's 10:47 ng umaga and I'm taking the girls to jungle time this morning, guys. So magpi-play date kami with our friend B and her daughter Petra. So 11 o'clock nakabook yung ating mga girl-aloos. So ayan, kaya kahit si mami nyo, guys, ay tingnan yung mukha. It's been 8 days since our chemical peel and I couldn't believe, guys. I'm still peeling. Look. O, diba? But you can see yung na peel na, it looks like clearer. Ayan sa kabila, guys. So, yung mga dark na ito, ayan yung magpipeel. So, ayan yung sa ilalim mo. Diba? Ayan na yung na-peel na. Just like this here. So, ito yung na-peel na. And then, ito yung mga nagpipil pa. So, ayan. O, today, yung aking na-notice is yung ating noo. Ayan. See, it's also peeling. So, kailangan may protection. Ayan. And, si Manong Postman doon kanina, nag-deliver nito, guys. And, ayan. Ito siya kakarating. It's sunscreen. I got it from Korea. From Gyeonggi-do.
Mom, that's not the...
Mom,
that's not my temper squishy.
Yeah.
It's not my squishy.
So, naka-sunscreen tayo. Dapat lang talaga may bit-bit akong sunscreen everywhere ngayon, guys. Kasi, you have to reapply your sunscreen.
I mean...
Balik school na kasi si Ate Paris next week, guys. Kaya parang inaano namin yung time na we do something na mai-enjoy siya. Kasi, pagbalik na sa school, mahirap na weekend na lang kami nakakagawa ng mga ganito. So, last week na ng school holidays ng ating Ate Paris. You're going back to school next week. And you'll be year 2. Oh my God. You're a big girl,
What
Ate.
am I going to do?
Put seatbelt on, please.
What am I going to be?
Hmm?
You're going to be in kindy next week.
Yeah, you'll be in kindy. Woo! Nene!
Kindy's peaceful.
The name of the play center lang is Jungle Time. Because Lainey's asking if there's... last night, she said, I don't think there's a lion there.
Mama, last time we went to the thing from yesterday, I was scared.
Yeah.
There was no lions.
No lions. It's Jungle Time. It's not a
There's
zoo.
only a lizard.
Yeah. See, welcome to the jungle. Okay, come on.
Did you say jungle? Because it's jungle time.
It's jungle time.
Abby! No, wait for me.
I'm waiting for you.
Wait
Anak.
for me.
I don't think you should bring that. Lang, I don't think it's a good idea bringing that. because you'll be playing. Come on, keep going. Hi! How are you doing?
Unlimited.
I did a chemical peel and it's still peeling.
And it just looked like you got something stuck. Where did you get it?
Just in Morningside. Is this like
Canon here, you mean?
Morningside?
Yeah.
Near KFC. Near the train station.
I never been there.
Yeah. But did it like
Is it opposite train station?
Yeah.
The big shop on the corner?
Yeah.
Maybe it's a different time. I whole day.
Oh, what is that? Face painting.
There's my camera.
Leave the shoes there. Are you done to bed? Let me check there. Wow, so cute.
Can I see? There you go. And look up. Let's go down. 3, 2, 1.
Your hands now. Your hands like this lang, not on this side. Like that.
Not yet, not yet. Stop.
It stops.
Let's go down.
Okay, you can go now. Last one. Baby Celine made a friend. Ha? Tignan yung ate Paris, basang-basa na oh.
Hurry, come on. Hurry.
Where are you going?
Run, run.
Yeah. It's very dark. Ayoko niyan. Okay. Very dark ba?
It's going to be fun. Hurry. Keep going there. I want you to come.
I can't baba because it's too small. Mama can't fit in there. It's okay. Mama will watch.
I'm going to hold by myself.
You don't do it here, Darcy.
It's like just hang on, please. No, you're
A few moments later.
What's the smell lang? Petrol. Ate is going to her Jujitsu class.
I'm so nervous, but I'm not. I'm just joking.
It's just bungag.
Mama, are you sure it's still not camp?
They do it in the morning. Good job, Ate.
I'm learning how to tie my belt, so today I'm going to show you how to do it.
Uy.
It's like the boom boom.
Nakatapos lang namin sa Jujitsu ni Ate Paris, guys. It's so exciting kasi may nakilala kaming Pinay doon.
I got you.
Yung anak niya, she was teaching there today. Yeah, anak?
Hi guys. Can you see me?
No. Yep.
Then like
Yeah, to make it.
that.
Yeah. There you go. Saan lang kamot? Woo! Yeah.
Not high.
Yeah, it's not tight enough. But yeah, you have to. But yeah, that's how you do it.
And I'll show you why I first tried to do it. So like I'll show you. Well, the first thing when I first tried, it was like this.
No, we have to wait for Daddy.
Quickly. And I got the white screen now. Then you do that. Then I would put it on that. Then I would put it here. Then I would get that
Oh,
one.
listen to Ati. Look, Ati's.
And then I would put that
Well,
one
that's
in here.
incorrect.
Yeah, that I'm showing them how I did it before.
Okay.
And I just started. Actually, it looks quite nice like this. On this lipstick. I just got this.
Ati's gorgeous. Yes, you are too, my love.
You're beautiful.
Aw, thank you.
I just beautiful.
You are beautiful too.
I'm so beautiful.
Thank you, Paling
So
Lee.
beautiful. Hi, everybody.
Hindi pa rin tapos.
Learning how to. Just let me take you to a better place. Whoa. Hi guys, so I made this fidget.
You know what I'm actually called about?
Hi guys, I made a strawberry.
On the table?
It's the key. Mama, don't make sure the magic. You can like press it here. It's very soft. I want to do it. And it's like a puppet.
We're eating, guys.
Salmon.
Salmon for dinner.
I want to eat salmon. And guess what? After, we're going to eat ice cream. Okay, good. Wait, can I have that quickly? I'll give it. I'll just take off. Everybody's looking for something.
Sabi ni Daddy Mike, guys, ito yung pinaka-worst na parang tingnan yung mukha ko. Like today.
Can I sing it?
Sabi ko, yeah.
Can I sing a
Because, ano siya eh, mas nag-feel siya today, kaya medyo mas, ang sarap tagatanggalin, guys, kaya dapat, inaano ko talaga yung sarili ko na hindi i-touch. Pag nag-wash, pag ganun lang. Kasi, mahirap na ba? See, it's starting to like lick it here. So as the noo.
A few moments later.
Ayan, nasa maliit na pakete. It's Synergy Skin Clean Sans Daily Protection Moisturizer. Ay, ganito ang kanyang mukha. Para ano siya, brown na may pagka-gray. Kailangan lang i-make sure, guys, na you're doing the right thing by your skin. Ayan. Anyways, guys, I'll do a quick shout out before tayo mag-end. Shout out to Yet Belino, Maricar Castaneda, Victoria Baptista, Expat Overseas, Carmen Lu, Faith Canaliha, Erlinda Basa, Delaney Prince, Mercy Narito, Via Jebson, George Blackston, hello po, Kauro May Torres, Jen Lee Beauchamp, Ray's Channel, and Jamila Kawaja. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.